Be mine, Valentine.
Yeah. So will you?
Well, I'm in Valentine over here.
So you're so like not romantic.
I
with
am.
that stuff.
I am.
Pouring the lye water solution into the oils.
I'm very
Soaking at
romantic.
room temperature. No, it's true, you're romantic. I'm not. Stirring. We're gonna get to, what's that famous word, baby?
What?
What's that famous word? Emulsification?
Yeah.
I must have heard that word about 8 million times last year on YouTube. I don't know like what makes a word suddenly become popular, but it did. Definitely everybody was saying it. Emulsify, emulsify, emulsify. Can you just say mix? Mix thoroughly? Anyway, I'm mixing thoroughly. For a long time.
You're recording?
Yeah, we're recording.
Oh, God, I'm sat here waiting for you to press the button, thinking, what, it's just practicing.
What?
Anyway,
Here's my piping. I'm going to put it off to the side.
Oh, God.
And,
yeah, so this is the Valentine soap.
I'm using Love Spell, obviously. It's a Valentine soap.
Perfect fragrance for a perfect day.
Yes, for a Valentine Day.
You know, and it's Valentine's Day every day in our house.
Oh, isn't that sweet? That's why I don't get a card on the 14th.
Yeah.
Would you look at that?
Yeah.
I'm mixing that fragrance in by hand. Did I use... I did use the blender, but not for very long, right? Because I want this thin for some reason. I can't remember why, because I made it, gosh, about a month ago, and we're just watching it back now. All I know is it's a Valentine soap with Love Spell fragrance. I always do that. Whoa, look at, we're using pink again.
Yeah, that's
We have to. It's Valentine's Day.
Lovely colour pink.
Oh, I think I remember this soap now.
I don't.
So you get that pink use neon pink and just add a bit of white titanium dioxide to get it lighter, because the neon pink is too pink.
It's really mesmerising watching it going back and forward and round and round and round and round.
I wonder if, like, sometimes I'll stir something for 10 minutes and then I'll end up putting the stick blender in it anyway. It doesn't make any sense. Let's just see if I do that. Oh, look. I've decided to add more. Yeah. Okay, titanium dioxide into the main portion of our soap. And there's a link for that titanium dioxide in the description below the video. It's the best titanium dioxide on the planet. I swear by it.
It's very, very bright white, isn't it?
It is, yeah, the whitest one I've ever used.
I think it's the same in art when they use titanium. It's a very bright white.
They do use it in art, right?
Yeah.
I can't believe you didn't know I was recording. That was funny.
Well, that can be done sometimes, eh?
Yeah. But you just watched a football game, so you're like... And your team won, what, 9-0?
Yeah.
So
I'm well happy.
You're in, like, the land of unicorns and butterflies right now, probably.
Yeah, well stoked. I'm actually thinking what to make for supper, but...
Are you already?
Yeah.
It's
anyway.
5:18. Oh, yeah. Okay. Look, we got a nice trace there. See,
Ah,
I end
here
up
comes
putting
the
a stick
blender.
blender in it anyways. Doesn't make any sense, but look at all those bubbles. Can somebody tell me why the stick blender works for everybody else, but it's like it's on drugs when I use it. Oh, red glycerin melt and pour shreds. Cause it's Valentine's. We have to use red. The batter's nice and thick.
Yeah, I've noticed it's a little bit thicker than normal, but maybe it's needed.
It is needed. I completely remember this soap now.
I think you're going to put some more in.
Knowing me, probably. Let's see. Or did I decide? No,
Oh
look
no,
at that.
that'd be enough.
Yeah. Usually I do put like a lot in. Shake it, slide it. Okay, that's a glycerin.
Oh yes,
A column mold I used for
the
that.
love hearts.
Make
Yes.
a heart.
I remember you making them.
Do you?
Yeah,
I don't.
I do.
I mean, it had to be a month ago. Now that's a drop. What's it called again?
Drop.
Not a drop and plop. It's a drop swirl.
Yeah,
Kind
that's
of.
right.
Even though it's a little thick. But, you know, I just wanted some random pink on the heart and beside it. It could have been, if it was a little thinner, it would have been more interesting. And, you know, I'm just making sure there's no air pockets when I do that with pink. Oh, look, plop, plop. So I'm trying to get like a random pattern in there.
Yeah. Just enough batter on there, I think, to cover it.
Yeah.
Which is perfect.
I'm trying to remember. I might have had batter left. I might have made Gabe some square soaps out of the leftover batter.
Now the infamous piping.
Yes.
What colour's the piping going to be? White?
I can't remember. I think it's white. Yes, it is white. See all those bubbles? Can I buy a new stick blender, baby? For the 6th time?
Yeah, you need to buy one. That just squirts out everywhere if you get it the wrong angle, eh?
Yeah, I don't understand. It's on. I press low, and I get so many bubbles. Scraping the sides and bottom.
And this
making
one's
sure it's
looking
all
like
white.
ice cream.
So there's some pink drizzle going down the side of the piping bag. Does look like ice cream, those colors. I hate strawberry ice cream. What about you?
Strawberry ice cream. Oh, I don't mind
I hate
anyway.
it. When I was a kid, I was all about chocolate, everything for ice cream. And then pregnancy cravings turned me into a vanilla person. I don't really like ice cream now, but if I have it, it's going to be vanilla.
Yeah.
Just scraping all that piping up into the tip of the bag. I don't want to waste any. I don't like it messy. Here we go. Did I not show the piping tip?
I don't think you did, but I'm just looking. I wondered why there was pink at the side. I understand you're getting a different coloured.
Remember I put the drizzle down the side of the piping bag? It soon disappears though. Probably should have put more.
It's a good effect though, because it gives it. It's two-tone, isn't it?
Yeah.
White and pink.
Pretty. Dogs are whining behind the door again.
We can't go anywhere without
No.
the dogs wanting to be in here.
That's what little dogs do. It's okay, George.
Is that George?
Yeah. See, the pink is, the drizzle's gone now.
Yeah.
So,
But it's a nice contrast, isn't it? The white and the pink.
there's a little bit of pink, not much, on top. I wonder how many embeds I put on this one. I only remember one, but there's got, oh, there's some
yes, the
glycerin
love hearts,
hearts, yeah.
They turned out really well.
Love that mold, and I can't remember where I got it. You know what? I think I bought it at Michael's craft store.
Could have done.
Yeah. See how fast I am?
That's because you speeded it up.
No, I didn't. I just thought fast. Oh, Oh yeah,
Oh,
my
look.
sprinkles with the heart, little sugar sprinkly heart things, and
Little tiny ones.
they're so cute. I forgot about those. Pink and white and red ones. Like, what am I trying to do with this little spoon here? Seriously? Just pour it on. See what sticks.
No, because you get a big clump and then you ruin your batter, haven't you? You're doing it right there.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't see enough of them.
Well, they'll turn out to be enough, I reckon.
I bet you I tossed that spoon in a second. Oh yeah, see, I knew it.
You see.
I just don't have the patience for stuff like that.
God, they make me so hungry watching you do these soaps. I always think of food.
I haven't seen cinnamon
Anybody else out
hearts
there like
anywhere.
that? Eh?
Oh yeah, everybody thinks of food when they watch soap.
What do you say then?
Cinnamon hearts. It's that time of year. We need to buy or do you know what cinnamon hearts are?
No.
They're little heart candies that taste like cinnamon.
Oh.
You must have those.
Yeah, probably have. I just thought you were talking about like a cake or something.
Like, I get piles of them. They probably have them at the bulk barn right now. Oh,
Oh,
look at how
look at
pretty
that. That's
pink
turned out
is.
well, eh? Look at that.
Yeah.
These are my favourite bit.
I love those sprinkles.
2 slices, please. And
This
wait
one
for
doesn't
it.
have a heart on top.
Yay, but the heart's in the middle.
See how the pink just like randomly drizzled in there? That's what I wanted.
Yeah, it's a good effect though, isn't
I
it?
didn't really want like straight line anything. Now we speed it up.
And that's another successful soap.
You just keep getting hungrier and hungrier, don't you?
Yeah. That's the thing about these videos. You watch them because it's pleasing on the eye, and also make you start thinking about things you need to go out and buy.
You know who does like amazing narrations? Sarah's Soap. She has like the sweetest voice.
Yeah.
I can't do it. I sound like an idiot. And I can't quite figure out her accent, but she just has the sweetest, most calming voice on the planet.
Yay. There we go.
Oh, thank you so much for watching and listening to us babble. Happy
Beautiful
Valentine's Day.
Have fun, people.
I think this soap is available February... What's the date today? I was going to say the 1st.
Second, I think. Yeah.
Is it? Okay. I'll have it up in at the store at fruitsoftheloon.com by the 6th. That's when this video is going up.
There you go. 1 each.
One each. One for me. One that's you and me. How cute.
So if you like this video, subscribe, ping the bell, and we'll see you again very soon.
You can like the video and you can leave a comment. Ask us anything, actually.
Yeah.
Keep us babbling. We're
Keep us
enjoying
babbling.
this.
Take care, people.
Back to you, Connie.